Bernardo Wildlife Management Area is a 1,675-acre New Mexico State Game and Fish Department area, located just a few minutes from the Kiva RV Park and Horse Motel. The area's main attraction is the migratory Sandhill Cranes. Sandhill cranes that migrate to the Middle Rio Grande Valley initiate their migration from wetlands from up north in September. By the end of November, the New Mexico wintering Sandhill cranes have arrived. There is a good chance you will see waterfowl, deer, elk, raptors, and songbirds during your visit to the Bernardo Wildlife Area. The best time to view the wildlife is at dawn or dusk. Whether gingerly stepping across the open meadow or filling the sky by the thousands, the tall gray-bodied birds are a delight to see. Sandhill cranes dance to find a mate, to strengthen the bond between a coupled pair, and to express aggression or territory. Sandhill cranes mate for life, which can last over 2 decades. And they stay with their mates year-round. Juveniles remain close to their parents for 9 or 10 months after hatching. Make plans today to stay at Kiva RV Park and Horse Motel and encounter the Sandhill cranes yourself. It is quite an experience.